There we go. We're live. What up, baby boys? How you doing? So, as you know, in the last 2 weeks ago, I hit affiliate on Twitch, which means that I need an incentive for you guys to follow me. Which kind of comes from alerts, and having this kind of interactive sort of ability on the screen. On the stream. That's what I'm trying to say. It's late at night. It is currently 9:30 p.m. I'm buggered. I'm tired. We're going to do some custom little designs. I've got an idea in mind. I would like it to be very minimal. You know what I mean? You know me. I like it to be simple and minimal. But I also want it to be kind of interesting. So I'm thinking, this is just an idea. If you hate it, tell me. I'm thinking what we do is we have a marquee, which is a little scroller that pops up, and we have it slide in from the bottom, and we go, boop, 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 this person has just followed, and it repeats infinitely. And then it slides back down, and we have a little thing that says, new follower. And we do that for each one, and for subscribers and all that fun jazz. I do not know how to set this up to work with YouTube as well. If you do know, tell me. If you do not, keep it to yourself. I don't know what you want from me. I'm a little loopy. I'm a little bit less calm. There's no music playing or anything. I should probably throw some on. Anyone got a sick playlist? Because I don't know what is good anymore. You know what I mean? Let's do that. Let's find a royalty-free stream music. And see what we get, hey? Cloud Kid, what do you sound like? No. Actually, good idea. I know I've seen Ludwig do this like multiple times in the past, and he's now got his full things. We should do a playlist stream, but I need more viewers for that. Send me music. Send me vibes. NCS. I've heard of these guys. Little chill house music. Alright, we'll run with this. Why not? Alright, let's just get into it then. So, what I've got, like I said, I've got an idea of the marquee popping up. We've got to do a little design, see what we want it to look like, and then we're going to go in and try and custom code it. And get it working, and we'll have a little test today to see if it works. I don't know whether to do it through Stream Elements or through Twitch itself, but we'll figure it out. I know Stream Elements works. I don't know how Twitch's custom CSS works. Anyway, let's open Figma. Alright, Figma. Okay, that didn't work. There we go. We're in Figma. So, a frame of ours would be 1920 by 1080, right? Because that is essentially what it is. So we'll go Twitch overlay. And we'll make that invisible, because we don't need to worry about that. And I've got my colors in here. Yes, I do. I gotta turn this music down, actually, even more, because it is distracting me. Or switch it to a different one. Hopefully that's loud enough for you guys and quiet enough for me. But yeah, what we need to do is I'm thinking around 10 to 20% of the screen height. So it'd be 108. With our cream. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Just to make it super obvious of what I'm trying to do here. Boom. Screenshot of me. Hello, lovely Hazy. What up, baby? There I am. That's the thumbnail for my YouTube channel at the moment. Alright, so that's that. Let's do this. Throw you in the middle. Cool. And then I just want probably our standard font, which is our PP New Montreal. And we say like, name has just followed. How sick is that? And then what kind of size of text do we want? It's kind of small, so maybe 24-ish? Yeah, it's kind of a nice size. And we'll make it medium. Alright, that's the start of it. I'm going to turn this into a auto layout, make it 108. And then we can just repeat it. And for a good one, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll probably go 6. And give it all a 24, 32 gap. And then we need some kind of like interesting thing in between it. Yeah, alright. So, need some kind of like interesting symbol. Do we... Like, what have I got in my Hazy stuff? You can see my little coin. I was messing with the Akatsuki thing. I got anything on here? By the way, look at the little chibis. If you want to have a play, you can use these in the Twitch chat. There's a little Instagram story. You can see all my kind of like stuff I've been making. All this stuff as I go. Like, it could be just a Twitch symbol, but I kind of just want something very generic. Like, a circle would work, but it's just so boring. And then I just had in mind, like, do we do like a little globe? But that's also really boring. Do like a half circle, maybe? Why is that not letting me regulate it? What the fuck? The hell? There we go. Like, do we do like a little half circle or something? That's kind of interesting. I need to come up with like a little cloud or something. Something that's like hazed. Some sort of like flowy air stuff. Dude, I actually cannot work with this music. I usually listen to metal while I'm doing this. This shit's fucked. Go back. Go back. Find me some other kind of royalty-free music, please. Because my lord, this is crazy. Maybe just something like... I don't really want lo-fi beats. I want like actual good tunes. City of Gamers. Sure. Alright. Let's just... I don't know. Let's do like... Maybe like a little... thing like this for now. Let's do like a little star. And we'll make that like orange. Red. Yeah, red. And maybe less. 8 points. Sure. That's fine, I guess. Is it? Maybe a little less. Maybe we go 75%. And we bump it and we go crazy. 18 points. And maybe not that big. Maybe we drop this down to 24. 32. Alright, let's run with that. So pop up like that. I'm trying to think, because there is times where my webcam will be here. It's never ever over here. I never ever put it there. I put it always on the left. So, except for League. Actually, no, League I don't. Because I was thinking like, yeah, we just throw like a little thing that says like, this person has just followed. But I will block it sometimes with my camera. That's the whole point of this, is because sometimes I'll have the camera sitting like here and I'll have it over the top, you know? So that way it's like running into it, which I think would be quite nice. Okay. That's kind of what I'm thinking, like we're run through. So maybe I set up a second one that like has the alert thing and I can just move that around and have it like up here that says like new follower. And then this comes up as well. Maybe that's the play. And we do this in our editorial. New follower. Same sort of colors. We do something like this and we just like double the size. Well, maybe having that pop down from the top could be quite nice, eh? Boop. New follower. Blah, blah, blah. Name is just... Maybe it would have their name too here. Maybe that's the way to do it. Down. Switch to that. Ping you to the top. Boom. And this would be the New Montreal as well. Maybe like something like that. The only thing is, I don't know how to like it would have to grow. Unless I make this 24. New follower, blah, blah, blah. And that's always that size. But I need something more interesting, and I think that's the bit it's lacking at the moment. So maybe, does this have like a stroke on top? Or am I over-designing this? Maybe. We'll do an 8-point stroke. The green's kind of arse. I would do the gradient thing, but I do not know how to code that yet. Maybe it doesn't need it. Maybe it's got enough because it's animating and it's moving. Maybe this needs something though. You know what I mean? Maybe that is the... Like, is that the play? Something like this? I don't know. I don't think it needs it. I kind of like it just simple. I don't even know if I can set this up this way. So, let us forget all about this. Back to full cam. Getting messages. Alright, sorry, replying to a message. Alright, what are we going to do? Let us go into Stream Elements. Because I do not know how to do it any other way. Gonna move everything else onto another tab so you don't see everything. There we go. Can I hide this? I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. I want to go into streaming, overlays, new overlay. 1080p, baby. And then we're going to add a new widget and an alert box. Now, this, we are going to switch to what we just did before. 1920 by 1080. So it fits our whole thing, you know? 1080. I want it to be 0 and 0. So it sits in the exact spot that we want it to. Follow alert. Custom CSS. That's what we want to do. Now, I already did some tests, so I have some idea how to write this. But we'll see how we go. I do not know how to make sure, like, get the font in at the moment. I don't know how a type kit will work on this. Like, I'm assuming so we might not be able to get it perfect tonight, but I'll fix it another time. But what we need to do is open the editor, and then we'll keep that there for now, but we're going to go div class equals alert container, because that's the way I want to name things. And then we go div class equals header section. Oops, I missed. And then, actually no, hang on. I'm doing this wrong. I want this to be div, because I also messed around with the other thing. Div class equals marquee container. That's what I want to name this. We'll figure out the other things another time. Why is that not working? Oh, there we go. And then we go text. No, sorry, div. I'm reading my thing because I can't be bothered thinking about it right now because it's so late at night. But div class equals marquee text. And then because I do not know how to do a repeater in this, we're going to just go boom, name. And then it says, what did I write? I wrote, has just followed. How sick is that? And then what I need to do is just literally repeat this. I think I said 6 times. And we'll figure out how to add the SVG in shortly. And there we go. To the very end. And we go boom. Cancel that div. Fucking... Alright, cool. That should work. Div class that, div this. Marquee. Yep. Div class, div. I think I got to throw another level above it, but should be fine. It should work. And then in our CSS, we want to go and write in dot marquee container dash container, because that's what we named it. If I can type right, this height equals 50% overflow hidden. Not overflow, flower. Overflow, hidden, display, flex. Align items. I think I want center. I don't know. We'll have a test, see if it works. Background. Our thing of F9, FOD3. And then that should be that. Now, dot marquee text. Also this. Boom. Font family. This is where I need to learn how to inject it, but we will just say PP New Montreal. Fallback is just Arial for now. Yep, sans serif. Boom. Font size. I think we said 24 pixels. Font weight is just, I think I had 500. Color. We've got same thing. White space. No wrap, baby. Animation. We want it to scroll right to left. 10 seconds. And then linear. Infinite. Then we want an animation delay of -2 seconds. Oh. Text transform. No, we don't want that. We don't need a text transform. Why did I write that? Let's see how this looks. Alright. Past this point, that's ended. We want to go now, this, at keyframes. Slide up. Up, down. 0%. Transform. Translate Y. 108 pixels. God. A little bit of code never ended your day. I can't be bothered thinking about this. I'm sorry. That's why I'm just writing it. But I might as well show this stuff to you of how it works. That's why I'm doing it here. This 20%, 80%. That. I think that's right. I'm just looking at my phone where I've got it all written down because I copied and pasted it onto here. Transform, yeah, transform, slide up down to 0%, transform, translate Y. And then we end that. That should be right. And then let's just bump that down one. That should be that there. And then we do this. Transform. Translate Y. Zero pixels. That. In that bracket. And then 100%. We go transform Y. Oh. No, so transform, translate Y. This, and then hit 108 pixels. Ugh. Cool. And that should end that bracket. But we want to then finish it off again, don't we? Cool. Next line. At keyframes. Scroll right to left. 0%. Transform. I'm writing this badly, by the way. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. Transform, translate X. 100%. Boom. And that. And then we want to go 100%. Same deal. Transform. Translate X. Minus 100%. And that one. Okay, I think, if I remember correctly, no, hang on, we need to add one more. We'll do it at the very top. We want to go alert container. And I hope I named this in the previous one. Alert container. We want it to be width 100%. Height. We set it to 18 pixels, remember? Oh, I'm not setting my things right. We want to end those. There we go. And then we go background of the F9. Wait, am I doing this right? Yeah, I am. I am doing it right. That one. Yep. Oh, display, flex. Flex direction. We want it to be column. Overflow. Hidden. And then position. Relative. And then animation. We want it to go slide up, down. 5 seconds. Cubic Bezier. 0.25. 0.46. 0.45. 0.94. Forwards. Okay. I think I've done that right. I did not. God damn it. I broke it. What did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't write the class for the alert container. Oh. Cuz that's supposed to have this div class equals alert container, which is the thing that's controlling the fucking the size of it. Div class equals header section. And then... I don't need that. I can just do this, can't I? Div class that. And then we just end the div. Alright. Will this work? No, it did not. Where am I going wrong? What have I written in wrong? With 108 pixels, no? I've written something wrong. What have I done wrong? That's right. This is right, right. Have I messed up something? Column, hidden, relative. Slide up, down, 5 seconds. Cubic Bezier. 4645.94. Forwards. Ends. Yep. Marquee container. This. Yup. Font family, font size, font weight. Yep. Color. That's missing all of these that I haven't done by accident. There we go. So that will fix something. What happened? Why did you turn to that color? What the hell? Why are you purple? I just typed in the hex code wrong, did I? I did, completely. There we go. Should be black. Animation. Scroll right to left. 10 seconds, linear infinite. Yep. Well, what we can add to this actually is just display flex. This is also missing that. There we go. Display flex. Align items. Center. That's that. I will figure out icons another time. Slide up, down, 0%, transform. Let's do it like that. Transform Y. Yup, that ends. 20%, 80%, transform. Y, 0 pixels. Yup, 100%, transform. Y. Oh. Keyframe scroll right to left. That. And that is right. 0% transform, translate X. 100% translate X. Minus. That's all right. Where am I getting it wrong? What have I done? I had a header section last time, so I'm wondering, is that the thing that's causing it? Little troubleshooting never hurt. Let's go back to the HTML. So I've got my div that is marquee container. Yup. And I have my div class marquee text. Yup. And this holds all my text in it. Correct. It should just work. No? Alert container, header Header section I don't have it right now because I didn't add it. New follow title I also didn't add because I want to try and do that in a separate one. Marquee container is correct. This should just work. What am I doing wrong? I genuinely don't know what I have written wrong. So, let's cheat. Let us cheat. And I'm going to go back to the one that I made yesterday. Because I don't know what I'm writing wrong. I'm obviously missing something that I'm being blind about. Here's one that I prepared earlier. Look at that. Oh. It's a little cooked though, so let's fix that, hey? So, in this code, I tried to get this to work, it did not. That's also way too fast, so... Yeah, I don't know where I screwed up. This is fine. This is all cool. Header section is fine. That is my color. This needs to change. That's where I screwed up yesterday. Okay, that into there. Hashtag. Alright. This needs to take way longer. We'll go like maybe 20 seconds. Okay, it did not even come up. Okay. That's way too long. 10 seconds was too quick. 20 seconds was too long. Let us go 15 seconds and we'll get rid of the delay. Emulate. It's just not even showing up now. Why? I didn't change anything except the color of the text. Marquee text, yeah. What do you mean? Why are you not working? Hashtag this. Is it because I haven't field or anything? No? I also didn't set any of the fields. I'm an idiot. Dude, I don't know. It's late. I just need to get these up so, like, we have something. Alright, marquee background, color, header background, color picker. Header is this. Slider, blah, 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 blah. I think I just broke it. I'll be completely honest. It should just be this color. Yeah. That. Hashtag. Why are you not working? I'll send you to that. I don't understand why you're not working. But you guys are. Anyway. Surely you show up now. No. What did I break? Leave. I don't want to make any broken things. Because it works here. It does this fine. So, when I change the color though, it full broke. Why? I can also bump the speed up there. I might do that. So this is all cool. Okay, CSS. Alert container, fine. Header section, fine. New follower title is white. That's fine. We want to change this from that to this. And that's all. And that breaks it. No, it doesn't. Okay, cool. But we do want to go and make this marquee text. We want it just to be medium, which is what? Medium is 500. Okay. 500. Now, this is not what we want. We want it to be PP New Montreal. I think that's how you type it. Let me double check. Well, we'll just do this. Like that. PP New Montreal. Cool. I gotta figure out how to add this in though. But for now, it's fine. Animation delay. I don't want any delay. I just want it to work. Will that break it? Is that the thing that broke before? It is. Okay, it need. Oh no. Oh no, it does need delay. Ooh, wow. It needs way more. Let us put it up to -4 seconds. And then I want the scroll speed to be 8? Or is that faster? That is faster. Let's go to 14. It's a bit too intense at the moment. I also don't know why it's capital. I don't want it to be capital. Text frame for lowercase. Sentence case, actually. Do they call it capital case? Capitalize. Capital case. Let's just get rid of the text transform. I don't know why it's all in capitals. What did I do? Marquee text. Oh, that's why. I deleted it from the wrong one. There we go. That worked. It's way too fast at the moment though. That's the only problem with this. The slide's fine. It's the animation that it takes is way too quick. Slide up, slide down is all cool. Forwards. Animation delay. Oh, yeah. Let's bump this to 15 seconds. That's better. That's a way better timing. Okay, cool. Let us do this. Copy that. Browser. Stream elements. Alerts. Cool. Now let's test it. Emulate on preview on stream. Why is it still showing up fucking purple? Oh, it's because I didn't save it, isn't it? And I want it behind my camera. Preview. Ugh. Don't steal my link. Okay, cool. It works. Let us switch to my full cam and we can drop it on here too. Emulate. Follower event. Cool. It works. Cool, cool. All right, sweet. How's it look on actual like Twitch and stuff? What's the... We also need a way cooler sound. This is a bit lame at the moment. Drag you over there, put you there. Boom. I just want to watch it on actual stream. That's cool. Alright, it works. It probably needs a little bit longer before it drops back down. Probably a bit too fast. So let's fix that. Let us fix that. Why are you not showing up anymore? There we go. So let's fix that. That's probably a bit too quick at the moment. Now we need like a cooler thing. So slide up down. We'll go 8 seconds. That's much better. Okay. Now what sound do we want? What sound would we like? Wait, why is the widget locked? Oh, there we go. Now, does this translate to all of them, or do I have to do it on every single one? God damn it! Can I not just copy this and use it for all of them? Whatever. I'll figure that out later. If I delete that video, does it stop? No, it still works. Okay, cool. So, sound. Sound. Hey. Hi. Welcome. Ooh, maybe that's it. Just like a nice welcome. But anyway, we have an alert now. It actually pops up. It does show something. I do have to clean this up because at the moment it's a bit dog. I'll be honest, it's a bit bad. But I'm gonna have to actually spend a little bit more time cleaning this up. But we have something. It does work. There it is. I don't like the new follower. I think the banner needs to be a bit bigger too. I think I'd rather put the no follower like somewhere else. New follower, I mean. If I just delete that out, can I do that? Let's see if this works. Or I'm gonna break something. I did break it a little bit. That's okay. I just need to reset the height to be 108. Yeah. Oh, 100%. There we go. I think that's all it is. There we go. Okay. Save that. You'll see it in a second. Boom. Cool. All I have to do is change the animation from being on the alert box to the marquee from the top bit. So let's do that now. So instead of it slide up down alert container, we want this to be the marquee container. I think that's all I have to add to it is just this. Because I think everything else is already there, no? Cool. Now, let's see if we break it even more. Let's switch it. I don't need to show you back in Figma, but what we're going to do is copy the SVG. Okay, and we're going to go into here, and I'm going to just do something really, really dumb. And this might work, or it might break. We will find out. But all I want to do is go... Where is it? How do we do it? We go... I just want to copy the path and go in and do SVG. Oh, I don't need that. It just pastes it for me. Awesome. Now, will this work? Oh, it does. Okay, cool. So... all I gotta do is just find out where that SVG ends after each one. So that there, here, that, and then we just gotta align them. I also gotta set spacings. Oh, am I putting in the right spot? Just follow how sick. There we go. How sick is that? And then we don't need a name there. Emulate. Oh, I put one in the wrong spot. Huge. I think it's this one. Yeah, it is. Okay. That there. Oh, you guys can't see because I'm... Hang on, let me do it again. See? We got the SVGs in between it. What up, Curtis? How you going? Alright. Now, what do I want to do? I want to add in this marquee text. I want to say... position... I gotta go to align, don't I? I have to align item center. Center. Okay, the SVG isn't getting picked up by that. Why? No, hang on, I'm doing the wrong spot. That's why I need to go into here, CSS, alert container, flex direction column, display that, position relative, yes, but it's this one, display items flex, align items center. But I need to, that should be right, no? It should be flex, align items center, no? What? Hang on. I'm Googling. Display flex, align items, center, vertically. Yeah, parent container flex, align item. It vertically centers the item. It should be working. What is going on with this? Align item center. I'm confused why the SVG isn't getting picked up as centered though. It's getting pushed up for some reason. It's in marquee text. But that's also got it. Oh, it doesn't have a display flex. There we go. There we go. And it's a bit cooked because the spacing's all messed up. See that? Hang on, let me switch back. So it's a bit cooked in there. But we will go... and what we want to add to it... Layers, alert box. I think it's just grid gap. Or flex gap. Yeah, flex add gaps. So that CSS into the marquee text. Flex gap. No, column gap, isn't it? Column gap. 24 pixels. Ooh, baby, we got it. Full cam. Emulate. Easy done. Now, it probably needs to start a little bit further over to the left. And I'm wondering, do I just do that by doing... That's right. I want it to... I want to start a little bit earlier. Do I do this? Save. Emulate. Yeah, it's a bit better. Now, it's probably too fast still. Because I'm watching it on my monitor, and it's a bit too fast. I reckon we bump it to 20. Save. Because I want the text to be readable, you know? That's a better speed. But what we want to do... CSS... Alright, I'm not showing you. CSS, slide up, down. I have it at 5 at the moment for the marquee container. Let us bump that to 10 seconds. And save. Back to full cam to do the test. Maybe a little too long. Let us switch it back to maybe like a good 8 seconds. Maybe that's a better timing. That was a little too long and we saw the end of the trail. We want it to feel infinite. Oh, a little off. A little off. A little off. Let us go to 6 seconds. We'll go 7 seconds because 5 was a bit too fast. Bingo. That felt pretty comfy. I think what I can do is just change this time to this and it should be like spot on. Ah, damn it. Hang on. I want to change that to... no, that was right. This to -9. Not bad. Not bad. I think that's a pretty comfy thing. Now let's have a look. Ooh, I'm gaming. Oh, hang on. Switch. Ooh, I'm gaming. Oh my god, what would we ever do? Let's switch it to a different screen. Oh, I don't know what I've got open. Figma. Switch it to Figma. And let's just go over here. Oh, look at me. I'm a big famous gamer. Oh my lord. What would I ever do, oh, I got a follow-up. Yeah, and it's getting covered by my camera. Sick. Very cool. Now, I don't like the sound. Straight up, sound kind of bum. So what are we going to do? We're going to just do a quick one for now. And I'm not going to record anything. I'm not going to do anything fun. I'll do this all later, after hours, and we'll figure out something. For now, we're just going to, excuse me, download a little sound effect of a, I don't know, we'll go like a frog. Turn that off. Get off me. You're a little frog. That's not good though. Maybe we just do something like really dumb. We just YouTube and we go Twitch alert. Twitch alert sound effect. What was this meant to be? Oh, I can't even hear it. I do not want a riser. Oh my lord. I don't know, dude. Let's just record one. How about that? Ableton. Open up. Give us your glory. We'll just do an Ableton one. We'll go, hey, welcome. Or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Ooh, welcome. My PC just went turbo mode with its fans. Oh my lord. Oh my god. This, that. I'm gonna switch to my Ableton one. What up? Because we've got it now, we can put it on this one and we can put it behind my camera. Sick. Very cool. We will set this as in. Let me mute my... You should hear it inside now. Very cool. Very nice. Very fun. Presets, hazy. There's nothing in there. Why? Why you... Vocal chains. There we go. Oh my Lord. Vocals. We just want something very low. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, ah. Hey, welcome. You're welcome. 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 Maybe that could be cool. Like a full quartet. Welcome. Actually, I've got kind of an idea. Maybe just do like a little doo-doo-doo. Well, hey. Doo-doo-doo. We just do like a little guitar riff. Doo-doo-doo. Hey. Um Alright. Guitar. Plug in. Boom. Boom. We go in. Number 2. And we go Henson. Tim. Timothy.
I just want something. Oh. Excuse me?
I put my vocal chain through an amp. Very fun. I just want something like dreamy, you know? Turn the delay off. That's kind of ass. What's a cool lick? I think it's this, actually. Let's just go. Welcome. Yeah. Very cool lick. It's gotta fit like the cozy vibe. Ooh. No one. Let's stop. Ouch. Maybe that's nice. Let's have a try. Welcome. Alright, let's see how that looks. Yeah. Dude, it's still going. That's crazy. I don't know how that's gonna work. Anyway, we gotta tune. Let's. Dude, it's still going. That's crazy. Alright. Switch. It sounds so gross. Ooh. Sounds epic, but it's not really like a good Twitch alert sound. Like. Maybe just all it needs to be is just a chord. What's a good sound? Like, what makes a fun alert? Welcome. 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 Maybe it just needs to be that. Just do something simple. One chord. Better. Welcome. Maybe we just do that and we say like, hey. Hang on. I gotta do that again. What was it? It was this. Alright, let's see how this exports. I'm just gonna go to here, where we hit it. Oh, drop it in. There we go. It's going to be super fucking short. And yeah. Sounds like ass. What the fuck? Sure. Hey. Welcome. Hey, thanks. Hey, thanks. Hey, thanks. Hey, thanks. Ooh. Hey, thanks. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey, thanks. Hey, thanks. It needs to be at the end. Ban. Hey, thanks. Hmm. Hey, thanks. 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 Alright, let's export this. I'm back. Hello. Now, let us go into the alert, and let's upload it and see if it works or if it sounds like ass. But anyway, this is what we're running with for now. Upload sound. Upload this sound. Hey, thanks. No, I didn't. It's not a PNG. Not a PNG. MP3. Back. I gotta open it up again. God damn it. We'll figure this stuff out as we go. Like, this is just like an interim, just to see if we can make a custom one. Because I don't want to have like I don't know. I hate the esports look and feel of Twitch and streaming, you know, where it's like, I have a fucking gorilla here and we have green everywhere, and then there's a big flowing neon light side thing here, and your chat's up here, and it's not just your normal chat, there's like 30 different variations of people, and then it's like, oh, I have a monitor here and another screen here and then a screen there. It's like, well, come on, what are you doing? That's not how you watch TV. Like, there's no Netflix show that looks like that. Like, what are you doing? Chill out. Make something cool. Do just something like nice. You can't hear it because I don't have Ableton on, but I just got destroyed in my ears. Oh my lord. Export audio. I want it to be not a WAV, not the WAV. I want it to be MP3. Here we go. Hey, thanks. Alright. Will you let me upload it now? Yeah, you will. Submit. Save. Let's see how it goes. Hey, thanks. Not bad. Hey, thanks. Oh, it doubled up. Hey, thanks. It's because I'm doing like thing. That's not bad. It's not bad. It's not great. That's okay. But anyway, we have a alert now. We have an alert. That's all that matters. That's all we wanted to do. We have something that shows up. How do I test it through Twitch? If I open up my actual, like, created dashboard, can I send one? Alert. Stream manager. Oh, this is how you run, like, ads and stuff. I've never done this. I've never run ads on purpose because there's no one here. But we don't care. I don't know how to do it. I can't be bothered. This is what dreams are made of, baby. Anyway, that's all we have to do. I've made something. It works. It's cool. It's running. End of the day, that's us. That's a me and Moray. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This is just a really quick one for me to actually get something up and running. Also for a bit of a test, because I have not coded in a good hot minute. I know strategy, I know how to do systems, I have a background in this sort of stuff. At the same time, haven't touched coding in a while. I'm a full designer. So anyway, if it sucks, that's all. But this is how you can do some like custom stuff. You know, there's a lot of different elements. If you can do stuff in web, you can do stuff on alerts. And the best thing about this too is that like this is no longer a like an image or a video that has to be loaded every time. It is just literally a bunch of CSS and HTML that runs. Super low file, super easy, using CSS animations, awesome. Anyway, that's me done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Follow me, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff on all the different platforms. This one's kind of a write-off video just because I needed to get it done. But I'm going to be doing this stuff from time to time as well. We will come back to this and fix it up as well. I'm not really happy with the end result. There's a couple things I want to fix. Timing is okay. It's a little bit glitchy still. I wonder if we can make it a bit nicer. Let me have a bit more think rather than a late night at 11 o'clock. That's an hour and a half. Alrighty. I will catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. See ya. See you later. Bye-bye.